In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the default view in Outlook, and we'll do it in under 5 minutes. Whether you're a newcomer diving into the world of email management, or an experienced user looking to optimize your experience, adjusting your default view in Outlook can make a big difference in how you interact with your emails daily. Let's walk through this process step by step so you'll have a customized Outlook view tailored to meet your specific needs. To kick things off, you'll first want to go to Outlook's login page, which you can easily find by navigating to the Microsoft 365 Outlook website. If you haven't bookmarked it already, simply open up your preferred web browser, type in Outlook 365 login, and it should be one of the top results in your search list. This page serves as the gateway to your email and allows you to access all your important messages and settings. Once you have the page open, you'll see the sign in button prominently displayed on the screen. Go ahead and click on it. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password associated with your Microsoft account. If you have two-step verification enabled, you might also need to confirm your identity with a code sent to your phone or email. Doing this not only adds an extra layer of security, but also ensures that your personal information remains safe and protected. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your Outlook mail interface. This is the main hub where you'll manage all your emails and settings. You'll find your inbox right in front of you with a list of your most recent messages. From here, we'll start customizing the view settings to make it more intuitive and suited to your preferences. Now turn your attention to the top right of the screen. There you will find the view option. This feature is really handy as it gives you control over how you see your emails displayed. Click on this option to reveal a drop-down menu of various settings. On the menu, look for an option that says View Settings and click on it. This is where we delve deeper into customizing your Outlook experience. The View Settings section allows you to explore a multitude of options that dictate how different components of your inbox will appear. Once you're in the view settings, you'll notice several tabs. For the purpose of setting up a default view that works best for you, focus on the sections dedicated to changing the email layout. This part is crucial, as the layout you choose will impact how easily you can manage and access your emails. Explore the available layout styles such as compact or expanded views. Switch between them to see how each one feels. Your choice here will depend on your individual email management needs and how you like your information displayed. After tinkering with the layout options and finding the setting that enhances your workflow, it's important not to forget to save your changes. This step is often overlooked, but taking a moment to click save ensures that all the adjustments you've just made will stick. Nobody wants to go back and redo work they thought was already set up, so locate the save button, which typically sits at the bottom of this settings panel, and give it a click. Congratulations, you've just customized your default view in Outlook. This straightforward process ensures that your email space is tailored to function exactly how you want it. By setting up your default view, you'll save valuable time when managing emails, allowing for a more seamless communication experience. Remember, the more comfortable you are with your email setup, the quicker you'll be at tackling your inbox and responding to messages. I hope this walkthrough has been clear and helpful. Customizing your email configuration can be a huge productivity booster, and I encourage you to explore additional settings within Outlook as you become more comfortable with the platform. Take the time to experiment with other features as well. They're designed to make your email management as efficient and enjoyable as possible. Thanks for following along, and don't hesitate to revisit any part of this process if needed. Optimizing your default view in Outlook is just one of many steps you can take to enhance your everyday digital efficiency. If you have any questions or need further guidance, check out additional resources on Outlook's help page, or leave a comment below for other suggestions. We hope to see you in the next video where we'll continue to explore more tips and tricks for mastering Microsoft 365.